Hi, I am going to show you the smoke detector camera by iClub. Now, it's been quite tricky to set it up, and that's why I'm going to show you the how to set it up. That way you don't get frustrated as much as I did, and it's just easier for you to set up. So basically, this is the smoke alarm detective. It looks pretty realistic. I have it on right now. In the back there's a switch to turn it on or off. I turned it off, turn it on, and then there's a charge cord, which I highly recommend you charge it at least 2 hours before you actually turn it on. Okay, so, alright. Inside the box it will give you instructions, and they may seem like they're easy, but the whole setup's a little bit different. You also get a disc. I highly recommend you use that. You'll get your accessories as far as like hanging it. You also get this nifty little camera as well, which is kind of cool. But once again, I'll show you how to set this up so you're not lost, because it was frustrating for me. And I don't even know if I've got all the quirks figured out yet, so we will see. But we can do this together, right? So what you're looking at here is the iPad. I went ahead and I went into the App Store and I found iClub and I installed it. So you're just supposed to click on it. Okay. Then originally, I have already added my camera, but you go in here, you would originally hit add new camera. So it's going to ask for the name, the UID, the password. The UID is the QR. So all you're going to do is basically go and look right behind here, and you're going to scan that little QR symbol. You're going to press the scan, and it's going to, I'll show you right now, it'll pop up this so you can scan it. Then it will register. Once it's registered, it will look something like this. Now the tricky part is connecting it to a Wi-Fi. So you're going to hit that. Once again, we're going to do the QR scan. So it's going to be a little bit trickier. I don't have enough hands to do this, but hold on. Oops, okay. And you'll have technical difficulties where it will log you out. I've had that too. I've had my share of tons of incidents with this thing. Okay, so you're going to go in here, you're going to set up your Wi-Fi. You're going to do a QR scan. Okay, I'm going to take my thing and I'm going to scan it. Okay, has the number, and then I'm going to enter my password. Process. Don't even work off the app. Go strictly to your Wi-Fi setting. Go to settings. Click into your Wi-Fi. Look for the cam. Click it. Connect. Log out. Go back to iClub. It's logging in. It's logged on. Okay, it is actually up and running. Let me show you how it does. Okay, and that is a